All right, several psychology students are unprepared for a surprise true-false test. Fun, right? With 16 questions and all of their answers are guesses. Find the mean, so I want to find, that's an ugly looking mu, and then I want to find the standard deviation. So remember, the mean you find by n, which in this case is the number of questions, 16, times the probability. Well, if these are true false, meaning half of the time, so 0.5 or 1/2, half of the time you can guess and actually get them right, and so you should get the answer 8. Then the standard deviation is found by NPQ, and you take the square root of that. So again, n is 16. Let's just get crazy and use fractions. And remember, Q is 1 minus P. So in other words, that's probability. P is the probability they get it right, and Q then would be the probability that they actually get it wrong. And so if I take 1/2 times 1/2, that's 1/4, divide 16 by 4, I get 4, and that gives me 2. All right, it says, would it be unusual for a student to pass by guessing and getting at least 14 correct answers? Well, it definitely would be unusual, and think of what unusual means. So if I'm at a mean right here of 8, and I'm 1 standard deviation above the mean, well, then I'm at 10, right? Because the standard deviation's 2. If I'm 2 standard deviations above the mean, then I'm at 12, and so 14 is still way beyond that, so certainly it would be very unusual. So stop guessing on your questions.